Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, in today's video we'll do an unboxing of this InSinkErator. This is a garbage disposal, and we will also do a review. The reason I can do a review on this is I've had the identical or very close to identical garbage disposal for the last 20 years. I'll also tell you the two reasons why I'm going to switch this out. Almost the exact same thing, except that's right, 20 years old. A good garbage disposal should last somewhere between 10 and 15 years. 20 years is awesome. That's one of the things that you get with InSinkErator is that they are a little bit more expensive, but they're very high quality. So let's take a look at this one that I have right here. And again, it's very similar to the one that I have in right now. This is a 3/4 horsepower, which is a little bit more powerful. This has an 8-year limited warranty on it. And there's several different levels of these garbage disposals. By the way, I'll put some more information. If you look at the link down below in the description, I'll put all three of these and links so you can check out the prices and do your homework and see which one is the right fit for you. They have some that are a little bit less powerful and don't have the insulation so that they'll be a little noisier, and then you can work your way up. By the way, when they get wider like this, it's really just insulation, a little bit bigger because of the motor, but mostly the insulation to make them a little bit more on the quiet side. You can see some of the information here too. Obviously, as you move up, you get a little bit better warranty on there as well. So this is, like I said, about 20 years old. It still works. Here is the problem though. Don't get grossed out, but take a look right here. And I've got water coming up. Let's turn on my water and let's run the dishwasher. I mean the garbage disposal. I'm not sure how easy that is to see, but the flange on this is worn out. It ends up throwing water and gross stuff up out of there every time we run it. Sometimes it's really bad. That's one of the reasons we're going to do it. The other one is that this is 20 years old and it's just worn out. It's not chopping up the pieces real small like it used to, and that means that it gets clogged and we have to run it on a regular basis. Sometimes it feels like when we do the dishes, we have to run it like 2 or 3 times, and that's a good indication that it's time to swap it out. All right, let's unbox this and let's see what's in here. Okay, here's everything that came in the box. We'll start over here. So there's some instructions, obviously. Also on the box, if you just want to see the basics instructions of how it is put in, and supplies that are needed and what's included is right there. And here is the real deal, what came in the box. And here it is right here. So it's pretty big, and again, a lot of that is going to be the insulation. This is the 3 horsepower version, so it's strong. And that's going to have something to do with the size too. If you look underneath your sink though and look at the garbage disposal you have, I bet you there's a couple inches to make this one work. Okay, I've emptied out the cabinet. It's time to remove this. By the way, this mat down here, if you don't have one of these are awesome. These 2 little devices are water alarms. Any water that leaks down here, which it's going to happen sooner or later, it will fill this little thing up with about 1/4 inch of water, and then after that, these alarms go off and let me know there's water under the sink before it causes any damage. Take a look in the description. I'll put all that stuff down. Here's a few items to keep in mind that do not come with this. You need to buy your own cable connector. Your plug cable right here does not come with it. Buy it separately. You'll need a couple of smaller wire connectors and some plumber's putty. I'll put links to all of these items down in the description below. So friends, here's a couple more tools that I used. You'll need something to cut the plastic piping, either a hacksaw or a pair of cutters like these is really awesome. Also, you'll need a 6-in-1 or at least a regular screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, the new garbage disposal is in. It fit like a glove. Took me about an hour reading through the instructions kind of step by step, and actually watched a YouTube video as well. So there it is. Let's try it out. I put a couple vegetables down here, scraps from dinner, and I got the water on. Here we go. Now look, I didn't put that much down there, but I can tell you right now, this thing is way more quiet than our last garbage disposal. Not even close. Here's a little bit more information about this particular garbage disposal. If you look right there, this gets 5 stars with 3,000 432 reviews. That is pretty phenomenal. Again, I'll put a link directly to this one right here down below in the description. Here's a little bit more pictures and information about it. And here it is on the quiet scale. So again, it's pretty quiet for a garbage disposal. Keep in mind, it is a garbage disposal. It's not going to be silent. And one of the things that's nice about it, it does have this sort of double grinding, which means the food particles will be extra small to go down the pipes a little bit easier. Also, this is assembled, invented, and designed in the USA. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.